Hey folks, John Price here, Director of Vehicle Design at E.C.D Automotive Design in Kissimmee, Florida. And today we want to talk to you about our most popular modifications through our Defender, Range Rover, and Series truck ranges. So you can get a better idea as to the type of things that most of our clients seek after when they reach out to us for a custom build. If I were to put a list together of the most popular items per model, I would say in our Defenders, definitely having the GM V8 is one of the most popular items that we get. Having the air suspension included, of course, the dual zone AC, the cooled seats in the front, and also having the power windows in the back. This will probably be the top for that model. On the Range Rover Classic, overlapping the air suspension is something that, of course, folks like to add. The larger screen on the dash, of course, for the stereo as well, and probably premium sound on the Range Rover Classic. And going into our Series models, definitely adding air conditioning was super important since those models never have them. And having the ability, of course, to enhance suspension and braking is super important for clients that want to drive a vehicle that feels and looks very traditional, but at the same time, it's safe for them and comfortable to even daily drive if they want.